welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne called out Donna. He said, Donna, come here. Now, he had this to say to her, and he did address her. And he is speaking on this because he said, she came into his comments and she had this to say to him. So go ahead and catch the video, guys, to find out which Donna he's speaking of and what he had to say about this. And remember, guys, to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so when I post, you know. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, I wish you a happy, happy birthday. And I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout the year. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my subscribers, my friends and family, I thank you so much. Also, guys, remember, sometimes we are sent in the lane of confusion, but we should try to get our heads out of being confused. Confusion is not a good thing. It's not great for us to be in confusion or in dialogue with people that are confused. We have to know that even the Bible tells us that confusion is not good. So get your head out of being confused now and live your life one day at a time. Smile always and be happy. Have yourselves a wonderful day.
But Donna, no go away. Leave me alone. And none of the can't stop loving me neither. If someone love me, just love me. And let's be real. Love don't turn to hate overnight just so. On the move. Leave me alone. It was all content for me. It was all content. Go and look up the meaning of what is all content. What does content mean to you? Go look what it means to you. But what it means to me, it was just that. It was not what I'm saying was just that. I don't care. Move. And leave me alone. And if you want to come out in content to hate to me, that is on you. I care zero. I don't care. I don't know you. Just know when you is over there being miserable, I'm over here being damn happy. And I kiss out my man. Yeah. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. One more to the business. Someone don't want tap for the nastiness. I don't look good. I know content don't look good. And it don't sound good neither. The fact that we are all from one little piece of rock in the Caribbean, one little piece of rock. And imagine there's no day on nothing look what I'm gonna look Neanderthal people. You must be damn Neanderthals. And I'm gonna tell on this, cannot tell me, can't tell me for not be obsessed with Donna. Can't tell me that. Me be obsessed with who me want obsessed with. I'm gonna kill one big Snyder. I don't want please. I don't business. I'm pleasing me and my page. And if I feel like say, come calm me down, I'll just block you. Dwayne, please, can you kindly respond to what did you say? What you say? What did you say? I don't know what you said. I don't see nothing that you said. Dwayne, I need assistance in turning on my monitor. DM me. I will tell you how to do that. DM me. You see one thing, me? I am not a selfish person. I'm not selfish. I try my best to help anyone I can. If I have the resource, I will help them. And if I know how to go about doing things, I'm gonna help them too. Only thing I look at people coming on WhatsApp and ask me how to monetize everything, and I tell them exactly what to do. And leave me alone. I am not selfish. I've never been selfish, and I'll never. When I'm meant to leave this world, I know for a fact I'm not gonna leave this world a selfish, disgusting, dirty human being. I will not. That feel on a portion. Nothing want to work on it because me want to come pray. You know me feel like that's somebody there? As somebody fan out there. but them under the cover as claim P plank. On a move, leave me alone. Move. You can't tell me nothing. If one post that at 25,000 times, I'm going to post him 25,000 times too. If one post that at 25,000 times, I'm going to post him 25,000 times. Shit, 45,000, shit, 100,000. And you can't tell me nothing at all. Now you can't tell me nothing. Now you cannot tell me nothing at all. And why hate me, go and continue hating me. That is your burden. That is your burden to carry, not mine. That is your burden, not mine. You understand? I don't care about you. I don't business. Go on about the business. Yolanda, you see you, Yolanda? As bad as you love go out and stuff, I feel like say, you actually mean me well. You, Yolanda. I mean, I take him back. I feel like say, you mean me well. Based on my analysis, you is a real one. And Yolanda, far where I come from, me sure say you and Miss Co work come from a porty shop. Me meet you, Yolanda, from 2019, 2020. I met you in porty shop, right? On a move. I want to can't meet that neither. If bear in mind, me now come to wallet, me not saying because she hurt me feelings enough time to. I'm going to come telling two word. I did do that. Yes, I did do that. I did. Me a what? Me a wood? Me not feeling stuff. Okay, so me a feeling I'm going to come look about 2 and 2, 2 and 2. But it's not gonna, me not get up every day come do it. No move for yourself. And this stuff I don't want. And that's enough I don't drown yourself no move. When you can't use me, don't use yourself, go and build the page for yourself. I'm gonna do no dot to it by yourself. You understand? I'm going to tell you one more time, Donna Touche, or Donna what back to your name, and you in the comment, if I want to be obsessive, Donna, that is my bird, that is my portion to carry. Not yours. Stop being so bitter. Shit, Donna, I am obsessed with you. Shit, Donna, as long as you have a social media presence, girl, I'm always going to be obsessed with you. Understand? You want to hear that? As long as Donna is have a social media presence, me always got obsessed with her. On above, and leave me alone. Backside door, you can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing at all. And you cannot make me come out here and be nasty again either. And this is what I want. This is what a lot of you want. Understand? You can't tell me nothing. Go and find peace. Donna, and you in the comment look well, go find peace in yourself. And that's enough, you know? And stop coming out here and being a nasty human being. Start this now. Leave me alone, girl. Let me be obsessed with who I want to be obsessed with. And let me praise also who I want to praise too. It is my page. I'm going to praise who me want to praise. And none of you can't move for like I want to overeat. My love La Donna. My love her to the moon and back. I not care. My love her. Only can hear type for no one that a phone is me love her. Shit, my love Donna too. My love on a move. My love Krista. I've always liked him. I always liked that. I'm always have a spot. I'm gonna talk along myself. I always have a spot in my heart that I don't know. Go away. I like most of the people them except some. Right? All but 2 of the people with our page. Or 3. I like everybody else, but them shouldn't move and leave me alone. When you can't move for like, I like them more I like. And I love more I love. And my heart, and my body, and my aura, and my soul. Leave me alone and go on now. Dwayne, a lot of us mean you well, but you don't seem to believe. No, you're missing the point. You're missing the point. Hello? Hello? Yes, you turn off live. You want to hear you? Well, I'm going to make the hear you. On a too bitter, on can't tell me nothing. None of you can tell me nothing. I like who I want to like, and I despise one despise. No move. You talk to me, the my ear, talk to me.
Some time ago, I called you and I said to you that a lot of what I noticed on social media with some of you hosts is that you allow your followers to turn you into haters.
I've never was a hater.
Because the hateful things that they write in the comments and because of the things that they want. But sometimes when you are trying to go down a certain path, they are then leading you back. I see that even on Marcia's live this morning, I saw it. You could see she don't really want to have this discussion about Donna and whatever, but there was someone in her comments keep bringing up and carrying news and Donna this and Donna that and that. I see it also on Maxine's live, where the followers, they write all of these hateful things. And sometimes followers and you don't want to hurt their feelings, you don't say anything to them. But a lot of the times, this is what I say, some of you guys, you allow the followers to bring you to a point of hate, where you say things just because you go along with them, because you don't want to hurt their feelings, or you don't want them to unfollow you or so on. But I think if everybody take a stand and say, don't come and write these nasty negative things on my life. If I may be talking about the person and criticizing or whatever, let us do it in a respectful way, and stop the carrying news. Because all of Masters like this morning, there's this one commenter, she keeps carrying news and every news was wrong, pure lies. And it's like they want to boost up the host to start cursing the person.
That them want.
I don't know if these followers get some thrill out
them
of
get
it.
Them get it out there.
Something,
they do.
But they really need to stop. Because sometimes you can really see that the host is not really, want to go down that road. But they'll just read the comment and laugh, or they'll read the comment and agree with it, or something.
Yeah.
But I think everybody needs to just get to a stage where they can be respectful.
I am there.
Everybody not gonna like everybody. But I mean, the derogatory things and the lies that really get to me, where they're carrying news. Oh, she did a cuss this morning, or she said this about it this morning, when nothing happened like that. You understand?
Yeah.
So
please like and share.
You being brave enough to tell them that don't come over my page with these sort of negativity and these hateful remarks. I hope that all of them will just start doing that and cut down on the whole cascas and the hate on social media, because it's pure that I'm seeing.
I told you I was gonna lead the way. Matella said, let me show all of you how it's meant to be done and done properly too. Let me be the matter for everybody to follow back on me. Move and leave me alone. That's my top comparison. Most things I see them, but I choose to not listen to it, because I'm not listening to it. I'm gonna come out here and talk. I don't want to hear no one. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Yeah, and a lot of the times it's things they're coming to you with things that don't even go so. Somebody
then can't come to me
live and they come back and say, oh, you then did a talk about, or you. Then nobody don't call no name, no nothing. But because they want to stir up war, it's like they get, I don't know, so it's like they get a thrill out of
oh,
war.
that's them. That's them. Versace. Hold on. Was it
disrespect?
Was it
Versace? Stop it, man. Stop going from people live to live and carrying news.
I'm gonna block them.
And I don't understand, if you don't like somebody, why you gonna sit on the live and watch them? That I just can never understand.
I'm gonna block them.
You don't like a person, you have to go on the live, just watch them to only carry news back to your favorite blogger or whatever, just to make mischief. So I just hope that they will stop, because I see it blatantly on Masters Live this morning. Carrying
it's
news,
not
just
that one.
And you can see that the lady didn't even want to go down that road. But they keep writing up things in there, as if they want to trigger something. So they need to stop it. And I'm glad you're telling them to just stop it. Be respectful. You can have your opposition to somebody or whatever, but you can be respectful.
I'm not going to help them.
Lies, because a lot of the times they carry news that nothing don't go so.
Yeah. Well, I'm telling you,
right.
I know for a fact.
Okay,
thank you. Listen, I told all of you this. Listen, this is why I chose to stay away from something, because if I hear it, know me, I'm going to come out here and want to insert myself in it. Don't get me wrong, some things it's okay to come out here and speak about it, but not everything. Like all the nastiness what people is used to coming out here and class. I don't want to be a part of it. Leave me alone. I told you, when I leave this world, I want to be remembered for doing the right thing. Leave me alone. I only can't tell me to not be obsessed with me. Donna, I'm obsessed with Donna. I've always been obsessed with you. I don't know why. I was telling of that. I don't know why. This you want to hear? Let me tell you. I've always liked Donna. Always. She hurt my feelings. So I hurt my car feelings. And now I'm over it. And now I'm accepting my little self. Leave me alone now. Go on. Leave me alone. I want to come out to come act in a nasty. You know that personal talk about obsession. I'm gonna block you. When it's on this live zone, I'm gonna find I'm gonna block you. You're way too bitter. And you done, I'm gonna block you too, because you are a nasty human being and you don't like peace. And darling, you cannot tell me nothing. I'ma do me. I keep on telling you, when I need to find love. Love is a beautiful thing. Being in love, everything. And I'm in love. As much as I did say, me lean up among other things and nobody not gonna want me. Okay. I always knew I was a catch. I always knew. Yes, me put a little weight now, but trust me, with time, it will come out. It will come out slowly but surely. But that's not the most part. I knew all along I was worthy. Right, I was worthy, and worthy I was, and God sent them coming to my life. So I cool, let me take that one out. On a move, go find love, and leave me alone. I only cannot tell me who to post. If mom post Donna 25,000 times, I got post her. That is you. If you want to be hateful, that is your burden to carry, not mine. Not mine. I knew a lot of you, some of you was gonna come and try and drag me because I posted it. Because a lot of you on my page on the Feel Like Someone Can Use Me, go and build your own page using yourself. Anyways, I won't take up a lot of your time. Most of them like my life, most of them share my life. Look how much on over here. I was not expecting this about the people, but that, you know what? I done a name. And I know for a fact my page was given birth to through a lot of Plank Nation. I know that for a fact. That's why there's so much of you over here, right? Remember where we're coming from, and don't forget. This is what they want. They want to turn people against people. And I know where I started. And shit, I wouldn't say my loyalty should stay there, but I know I owe over there, sir, among other places, some respect. And yes, I am there now. And yes, I've accepted my flaws. I've accepted my wrongs. It's up to you if you want to contemplate me. Even I kind of don't care. But just know, say me, some things you just won't see me being a part of it anymore, and that's just it. Anyways, I have to go now. God bless you. Thank you to everyone who stayed with me. I know some now get 100 likes. I know some now get me lucky if I get 5 shares. So with that being said, thank you to all of you who is here with me. I appreciate you. Hopefully I'll see you guys another time. I don't know. I'm just hoping. If I see another time, I see. If I don't see, it is what it is. With that being said, God bless you. Our day today. Happy Monday. Walk good. I'm gone out. Oh, and one final thing. Only cannot tell me who to like and who not to like. I like Donna. I've always liked Donna. I was disappointed, yes, in some things, some actions. Okay, it is what it is. In life, you can't expect people to remain in the same position, the same predicament for the rest of their days. People have to change. Change is inevitable. The same way Donna had to change, let me change to leave.